is for all of you animal abusing hypocrites out there, including, but not limited to, Darman, Mr. Beast, Sniper Wolf, Call Me Chris, and all of the rest of you that I've done videos of over this past year. Picture this. You go to Walmart and you're just getting out of your car. It is so hot. Then you look over at the car beside you and you see that there are two dogs in there who are just lying there and panting, and their tongues are hanging out and they look like they are half dead. And you think to yourself, oh my God, they are dying. They are boiling from the inside out from this heat. I need to save them. Would you take a baseball bat or a rock or your foot or anything at all to try to smash the window to save those dogs? I would. But let me ask you this. What if those two individuals were 6-month-old baby pigs? Would you do the same thing? And if so, why aren't you rescuing them from ending up on your plate right now?
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them, we fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them, and all of this karma comes back to us. Until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on.
Hello students, welcome to class. Today we're looking at direct action everywhere. And right now we're looking at this video of this hero who ran out onto a football field to try to raise awareness about a trial that's going on in Utah, where two men are being accused of stealing two little pigs who were suffering, going to die, and to bring them to shelter, to bring them to a sanctuary. So this video is encouraging us to go to a place called the Right to Rescue. And if you see the letters DXE, that stands for Direct Action Everywhere. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a thing. Many people don't realize that animal rights activists are working really hard to raise awareness about what's going on. And if you are interested in joining Direct Action Everywhere, I absolutely encourage you to do so. So they're saying that this is Smithfield Foods, which is a huge, basically it's like a Holocaust-like place, an absolute hellhole where they raise these animals to live lives of misery from the beginning to the end, and animal rights activists want the right to rescue them. So I'm going to just show you here, although what does it say here? Maybe I can show you this on the side. Oh no, I can't push that over, unfortunately, because of the way my computer's set up right now. But I will go to the next video and I'll show you the video another video that has been released by them. Oops, okay, let's go here. Oh wow, this is activists around the world for a Bill of Rights. Actually, you know, while I'm here, this is incredible. There are groups all around the world. Look at this, San Francisco, all these places who believe in the right to rescue everywhere around the world. Look at that, Las Vegas, Toronto, St. Louis, Rio de Janeiro, Phoenix, Seoul. Wow. Okay, let's go back though. I want to show you, this is what I really wanted to show you today. So the Smithfield trial starts, it said tomorrow, but of course by the time you watch this video it won't be that. But the point is that there is a trial going on, and if you want to support Direct Action Everywhere, go ahead and Google them and follow them. This is Wayne Shung, who fought for the right to rescue, and he says here, they're writing in this video, there are 8 facts you need to know about this case. Look how cute they are, poor little sweetie pies. So Wayne Chung and Paul Darwin Picklesimmer are facing felony burglary charges for rescuing 2 sick baby piglets, Lily and Lizzie, in 2017 from Smithfield's biggest factory farm located in Utah. These places are hell holes, absolute hell. Imagine living your entire life in a building where you don't see the sun, the sky, and where you live are only 6 months before you're brutally murdered. This is all the sewage. And unfortunately, a lot of poor people live around here who get very sick from the sewage and the runoff. Absolutely horrible, horrific what goes on there. So this gentleman here, I use that term loosely, Utah's Attorney General Sean Reyes, he's bringing forward this prosecution. You can see he's a Trump supporter, and he also received campaign contributions from Smithfield. So from this corporation, this group of people that brutally murders and terrorizes these animals, he gets money from them. So of course, when they want to have a trial to teach a lesson to Wayne and Paul, these wonderful animal rights activists, they're going to try to come down really hard on them. It took a long time for this court case to end up coming to fruition. It's been already 5 years that they've been waiting for their day in court. But unfortunately, things were crazy. The FBI were hunting for the 2 missing pigs. FBI, can you imagine? You know how much money was poured into trying to find these innocent pigs because they considered them to be stolen? The FBI was sent to raid non-profit animal sanctuaries in search of Lily and Lizzie. So they just went around to all of these different sanctuaries to try to locate them, to find them. They really wanted to teach them a lesson. And they mutilated a pig, claiming they needed to collect the DNA evidence. This is horrible. I don't even want to know what they did. It's just heartbreaking. These poor sweethearts. Judge Jeffrey Wilcox ruled against showing any footage or even talking. This is, it's Wayne there. Or even talking about the conditions documented inside Smithfield Farm. Just look at this. These animals, these poor sentient beings who are smarter than dogs, live in these conditions for their entire lives. It's hell. It's beyond hell. I can't even imagine how horrific it would be for them. Living in their own feces and urine and surrounded by dead corpses. Look at this poor little baby trying to suckle his mother. I don't know if you saw there, but she is absolutely swollen and red and bleeding. And here is what you see in a garbage bin, the dead bodies of babies and their mother. It is just, it's unspeakable. Every time you buy bacon, sausage, or ham, you are paying for these industries. The judge also ruled to have an anonymous jury, which could lead jury members to think the defendants are dangerous. They are not dangerous. DXC activists are among the most peaceful people on earth. They go out of their way to make sure that they are peaceful and to follow the rules because they only want to do the minimum damage that is required to get to those animals and save them. And I ask you, if you were the victim, wouldn't you want them on your side? I would. At the last minute, the judge removed the live streaming and documentation rights. So how are people supposed to find out what's going on? They've banned reporters and of a journalist who had previously been given permission to cover the trial. He also denied access to popular media coverage, and other members of the public will be barred from entering. How are people supposed to know what the fuck is going on? If the judge bars the journalists from covering the story, bars the people in the jury from seeing what's going on, they can't even see the footage. It's people like me Does it really fall on my shoulders to be the one to try to give out this message? Every single vegan animal rights activist should be called to attention right now to share this stuff. And every single one of you who has parents, family members, brothers, sisters, or even grown children who eat animals should be on their cases to remind them that this is horrific, the way that we treat animals. Animals are here on the planet with us, not for us. They are not to be used as commodities in any way. So, win or lose, this case is a landmark moment for the right to rescue. This is what they're saying, and I truly hope that it is. Wayne and Paul, you have my utmost respect for what you're doing, so thank you so much for that. If you enjoy this channel and you think that there is worth, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell and help all of us get these animals out of hell. Thank you.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them, we fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.